Right, I'm going to show you how to remove the screen of a Acer laptop. As you can see, it's all smashed, almost smashed to pieces, so to speak, in it. So this is a Acer A11431, but more or less all Acer's laptops are similar in terms of the screen, unless it's a really higher end modern one, then it might be a bit more labour intensive. So what you do, get some something like your credit card, old credit card, and you want to all around the edges you want to remove bezel, like this, like so. Work your way through, and don't force the clips to open because they'll just break the clips. So just down here we're going to be, once you've got all this open, that's the easy part. Then you've got the stubborn part down here. It might be held by adhesive, I don't know yet. But I'm going to put my fingernails in between the screen and here, and try and separate it. Yeah, when you hear the click, it means it's loosened up a clip. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get a tool so like separate here, separate this bezel from here if I can. Yeah, that's a good way of doing it. So yeah, I've never tried this way before. So that's good to get your tool in between the bezel and the LCD panel. Just twist and bend like that. It loosens that up for you. Let's see now. There you go. Now it's loose by following that method. So that's that done. Next, so put that bezel aside. Now we want to get a screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and remove the screws. You got one, two Phillips screws, and you got 6 wide flat ones. Actually, no, you got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws here. And then it's going to yeah, that's all we need to do. Remove the 4 Phillips screws, I think. Don't even need to remove the this one here. So 1, 2, and then so 1, 2, and then these two at the bottom here. Right, now you want to remove the LCD cable from the screen. There you go. It's also a good idea to remove the battery, but I'm not going to do that in this video. It's not. Yeah, so I'm going to try and remove. There we go. Remove the LCD cable. So that now the old screen can be put aside, thrown away, tossed in the bin. Now what I'm going to do now is plug this LCD cable into here. What you want to do is obviously we peeled off the adhesive sticker. So on this, what you want to do obviously is you want to go ahead and slide that LCD cable into the slot. Be very careful when you do it. Don't pull it. Just slide it off a bit. Here you go, you can see that light's lit up now. There you go. So stick that in. There you go. Now put the screws back in, like so. So put the 4 screws back on, plus the one I took off the hinge of the arm there. Just went off to sleep there. There you go, all screwed back in. So there we go, and now we can see this plastic sheet with film. You need to peel that off first, but I like to do that after I put the bezel on. So let's see if we can do that. It might be a bit awkward to remove, so I'm just going to remove it now actually, before I put the bezel on. So I like to do it right at the end so that no fingerprints are on the screen. So yes, all you do there then is, you can see this white tape. Just grab that and then basically make sure all the screws are on. Yeah, all the screws are off, sorry. And peel it off like that. So that's it. Now get the bezel. Look, you smell a lovely nice smell there. The bezel. Put it back on. There you go. And So make sure on the side it's all pressed in. Like so. And then at the top you want to press down at the top. There's always some extra pressure that's required. On the other side, at the bottom, you want to press down here. And that's all done now. That's all there is to it. Very, one of the most easiest laptops to do, or this one, because it had no adhesive sticker or tape on there. So one of the easiest ones to do, that one. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope this has helped you. Please like, subscribe for future videos like this. I can help you fix your laptop, no problem. Any comments, please fire away. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and this has really helped you today. Take care, ciao, and happy new year. Bye.